The bigger the home, the more you're gonna have to clean, or the more you're gonna have to pay to have someone else come clean the house for you. It's really up to you. But in my opinion, I wouldn't want such a huge house because it's just so much work to maintain. And I'm a budget friendly girl over here. I'm frugal and I don't want to be like wasting my money. I know everyone has a different opinion on this, but like I wouldn't want to pay so much money for someone to come clean my house. But then at the same time, I wouldn't want to be spending so many hours cleaning my house either. So, for me personally, the solution is to not have such a big house. I would prefer to have a smaller house that I can maintain and every so often ask someone to come help me to do a deep clean because, yeah, deep cleaning a home, no matter how small it is, usually takes a good amount of hours, especially if you have humongous windows like this house does. There's literally windows everywhere, and then you have to clean it one way, then the other way, on different sides. But look how beautiful it is. Like, come on, who wouldn't want to have windows like these? Am I right? Let me know in the comment section if you think this home is beautiful because I think it's absolutely stunning. It has an amazing view of the beach and I think it's definitely worth it. But in my personal opinion, I would have a little bit of a smaller home. The views are great, but I think I could still get that same concept with a smaller version of the house. I love how open this home is and it has lots of amazing areas, both indoors and outdoors for you to hang out and have a great time. But again, like I mentioned, the more area you have, the more things you have, and the more cleaning you have to do. Like right now, I'm cleaning all these cabinets. P.S. The dogs are the ones that dirty the cabinets the most.